Built on a clean top-stitch 1 to 1.2 millimeter premium cowhide chassis, the Joe Rocket Vintage looks right at home both on and off the bike. Specifically tailored to a relaxed fit, the Vintage also features top-shelf comfort detailing that includes pockets for optional armor at the shoulders, elbows, and back, a full-sleeve zip-in quilted liner, neoprene edge mandarin collar, zippered cuff openings, a luxuriant satin interior lining that lets the jacket slide on effortlessly, and a diamond stitching pattern at the shoulders for added mobility. Bringing it all home are details that include 7 convenient utility pockets, a large integrated storm flap, reliable YKK zippers throughout, and subtle accent badging to ensure the jacket's look stays true to the name. Vintage.